Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be going to work as usual. So guys, let's go. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Yo. Time for lunch. Let's go. Yeah, I enjoyed my lunch. Back to the boring videos. I know you guys are not enjoying these videos, but that's all I can do. That's the best I can do for the next few weeks. But for sure, the videos are going to change. I'm going to change this. Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to change the style of the videos and expect some different content within the next 2 weeks. For now, let me go back to work and continue strategizing. What's up, guys? It's 7 and I'm leaving work right now. It's always a long day with IT jobs. I'm sorry, guys, for the terrible videos that are coming through, but I promise you this is gonna change soon. Yeah, so I'm heading home right now to sleep and wake up and repeat. So it's work, sleep and repeat for now. Thank you so much for always being here and for always checking me out, you know, for always coming back to the YouTube channel, man. You're the true fan, man. I really appreciate you guys. Oh, excuse me, guys. So I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.